Good afternoon, everyone. Let me please first welcome our Director, Sir, PGDM Office Head, all the DSB and WIPS faculties present here, and our alumni present here. Let me first start off with a short story. So, I have an elder brother who's 6 years older than me, and when I was in 11th, he got placed and moved to Bangalore. So, I live in Noida and he moved to Bangalore. Each and every day, I noticed my parents talking about him. They missed him a lot. Even though we knew that he has moved on for his betterment, for his excellence in his career, but still we missed him. Similarly, you all the alumni are like my elder brothers and sisters, and the faculties and management at DSB are our parents. They know you have gone for your betterment, but they still miss you each and every day. So on this note, let me please welcome you all to DSB Alumni Meet Milan 2021. It's such a great pleasure to have you all here. The classrooms, the corridors, the canteen, and everything about DSB was not the same since you left. But now that you're all back here, it seems rejuvenated and livelier than ever. We'll try to make this day as memorable for you and nostalgic for you as possible. Can we have a huge round of applause for our lovely alumni here? Thank you. Can we please move forward with the lamp lighting, please? Team?
स्नैपचैट पे फोटो बनवा दिया
the first one, take this.
And can someone come from the 1921 batch? One person from 1921 batch. Come. No, it's okay. All of you.
मोनल स्टेज पे आ जा, तो छोटी पड़ रही है.
Good to see you, sir. See you.
Photo.
Please come. And the girls also.
Yeah. Okay. सरस्वती वंदना के बीच में मुझे ले लिया क्या?
नहीं, पहले सरस्वती वंदना चलाई. तूने पूछा कोई प्ले कर रहा है क्या?
प्ले होगी ना?
होगी. जतिन.
Thank you so much for all. Saraswati is the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, art, speech, wisdom and learning. She is the part of three Devi of Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. All three equal forms of unite with the three Murti Brahma. We'll commence the event with the Saraswati Vandana. I'd request all of you to please stand up.
हे शारदे मां
Now I would like our chief guest to accept a token of love and gratitude from us.
I request Ratan sir.
I request Ratan sir to present this token of love. Huge round of applause, please.
May I request the real guests and the chief guests of today's function, at least one person from each of the batch, if you could please come up. From the oldest batch, the first batch to the latest pass-out batch, please. Please, please, please. May I, please? Yeah. Any other batches? Any girls, please? Girls, please. Why don't you come, please?
Feeling shy. Shivangi is coming. I think
आइए इधर आइए.
two girls are more powerful than others. Come on. Rohit, now you are saying it that way. Yeah. Hello, Rohit. आ जाओ, आपने प्रोग्राम किया है शरद और मेरे साथ में आ जाओ, स्टूडेंट्स अफेयर्स कमेटी का. कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम कम. रोहित. Yes, yes, I remember. Rohit, come. आ जाओ, आ जाओ.
Come in the front.
Come. This is our not very latest, but still, come on. अरे आप लोग तो इम्पोर्टेंट है भाई, आइए ना, क्या करते हो. रोहित. रोहित आ जाओ. रोहित तेरे को बुला रहे. रोहित. Give a big clap, please. These are our students, alumni, earlier batches. They have made us really Delhi School of Business. Great. Thank you very much. So nice of you. So nice.
Sir, you hardly need any introduction, but we still owe you one. We feel honored to have with us Dr. Ratan Sharma, the chairman of alumni. He holds M.Com and PhD from Delhi University. Now, may I invite you, sir, on the stage and bless us with your words of advice, please. Huge round of applause, please.
Well, friends, good afternoon to everybody. Hello. मुद्दत हो गई, इंतजार कर रहे थे, वेलकम करें आपका. अब टाइम मिला है. This is the time we got it. May I begin on behalf of the management, director, faculty, colleagues, staff, students and everybody to extend a very hearty and warm welcome to every one of you, those who are present. I think it is a moment we were looking forward that we should try to have it. We have amongst us our colleagues from, of course, the director, sir. We have Ashok ji, the placement chairman. We also have our faculty colleagues on DSB and VIPs. I extend a very hearty and warm welcome to every one of them too. We have staff members too, those who are present here on this occasion. Everybody is excited, and also the students, those who are present. Also, we have the deans and directors from VIPs. They are also, in fact, they are Dr. Goldie, you are present. So we extend a very hearty and warm welcome to you. She is the director with the College of Engineering. You have seen this on your site. This is a new college which we have started. Well, friends, we are meeting after a long time, as you all know it. Alumni meet is like a homecoming to every one of you. For us also, in a way, it is a sort of a homecoming because we are meeting our old friends, our old students whom we have taught. In fact, many a times we have done in the class quite a number of things. You must be remembering that. So it's a very refreshing memories to every one of you that you are here. We have tried, in fact, in 2018, December or early 2019, a meet which was before the accreditation that we had it. I think it was a very good response that we received from the alumni at that time. Later on, we thought it and we promised that we will start having this on a periodic basis, these alumni meet. Somehow it so happened we could not start it because of the COVID-19 we started. We did try indeed, but we could not have it. So, and then came 21, and then we started in a virtual mode an alumni meet which was on 27th of March 2021 with a promise. Promise was very simple. Let us reunite. Let us try to be there once again with all of us and try to recollect and refresh our memories that our students are having it. More important always part for the faculty is that we should be meeting our students, our friends. So in fact, when our new director, Dr. Rajiv Thakur, he initiated his idea. In fact, it was his idea. Let me put it. Give a big hand really. It was his idea. He said it, we should try to have an off-site meet, and that will be a great thing. So we also thought, I think we should try to be meeting every one of us, and we started in fact that. And today we are meeting in that offline format, which is what we thought it. This is an important one. This again idea is coming from our director that let us be in the open and also try to have this layout too from our director, because at least let there be networking situations coming. So again credit goes to Dr. Thakur that he really was involved so minutely in laying out and thinking as to how our alumni meet should be, we should be trying to organize it. Thank you very much, Professor Thakur. I think it was a wonderful, now it looks nice. Coming back to the same, we have come out in fact in a very big way from that COVID-19. This was something, I'm sure I will not get into too much of it. This was a global phenomena, you know it. Everybody, most of us, in fact, neither most, not all of us got affected from this phenomena. If there's something which was there. We have not come, something which was, I have not seen anybody who has come without any fear or pains during this period of time, personally, family-wise, professionally, community-wise. Now, there was always a feeling that what is that we should be trying to go for it. It was a certain things, I'm sure. But as an alumni, we wanted really to meet. What to do? We wanted to share thoughts. And I'm sure you are all aware. I will say that COVID has changed our lifestyles totally. I don't think we are the same people as we were before COVID. I never heard a vocabulary called work from home. I think it has become more popular. I'm sure those of you who are working, I'm sure that is their work from home. And what has happened is a very interesting part in the social and family structure, a boundary which was there from work and office, that has totally broken. There's nothing like it. It is totally that you are working from home, but office is there. And therefore you are working many more hours than what we have been working. Under this stress and circumstances, friends, as an alumni, DSB has not stopped itself. A new leadership we have tried really to come up to. We thought it let any crisis should not go waste. And that is what we tried. We tried, and you will be happy, friends, all alumni and friends. DSB today is not merely an institution. It is a brand. It has evolved as a brand. It is a brand not only in the making, it has evolved over a period of time. And now people remember that Delhi School of Business itself is something which is so important. People remember it. I must be happy to mention it to you that Delhi School of Business, now this is the name of the institution. Earlier, those of you who are passed out, you must be knowing it. It was the WIPS Technical Campus. Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Dash Technical Campus was what we were trying really to struggle out. Initial batches, you know it, how really this has come. We were having sort of an identity, I will not say crisis, there was a confusion. What we are, Delhi School of Business or we are a WIPS TC. You will be, friends, happy to know that we are Delhi School of Business in its own right. And that is why I dare to say that we have evolved as an institution, independent, autonomous, and a brand which industry really look for. How has it come about it? Because of your efforts. You people, all alumni, they are doing so well. We believe as a faculty on our part that you are our future. Our students are our future. Our alumni is our future. And future has to be bright because you people are bright, definitely. Therefore, we always feel you people are bright. Therefore, very simple, we do on our part certain efforts, and we did try to Delhi. We try to be on different aspects about the Delhi School of Business, what really we try to do that. For example, we wanted to be industry ready. Some students were mentioning in one of those online mode when we are having alumni meet. We ran for it, and therefore what we did, we went a total change in the curriculum that we have designed. So that way we have not allowed the crisis to go waste. We thought we should try to get into the whole heart of the same situation where Delhi School of Business becomes brand, and also brand which is really very important one, which everybody remembers, including the industry, friends and the community. We changed that part. Our students are now getting ready. In fact, for the industry we have tried it. Everything we are moving in that. This is what I am sharing it with you because you alumni, I think you must be feeling, have a certain feeling in terms of what we have been done during that period of time. We have evolved, in fact, for the last so many years. Today, we have a strength of around 551 alumni as on today. Our batches which are passed down, they are so wonderfully doing well. Therefore, it is very nice. It gives us as a faculty a pleasure, Frank. We are really happy, we feel happy that you are with us, and because of you we are able really to get into that. Once again, not taking much time, I thought I must mention a few facts which I think some of you may not be aware. Our students in the current batch and the second year, they are doing so well, they are so enthusiastic in terms of receiving you, and that is what they just did it. So once again, I extend a very hearty and warm welcome to every one of you. And my faculty colleagues will be there, and I'm sure we wanted to make it a little more informal meet. And informal meet is possible only when we try really to be a little more friendly in terms of what we are saying it. So we wanted to introduce, I'm sure some of you, a lot of changes have taken place in our Delhi School of Business. I may not say the setup, but also the people, those who are there. We have strengthened our family, DSB family, both on the faculty side and also the staff side. So may I, with your permission, Dr. Saab, request faculty to say, to introduce themselves. Right, I request faculty colleagues to introduce themselves, and while sitting there, I think it will be all right. And my friends, students, networking team, please mic le jaiyega. Faculty, they will introduce. And you may like to remember that they taught you or else something new. Yes, yes. We can switch, that's all right. Khushbu, you are here. Thank you very much. Welcome. We are looking forward. Come on. Sanjay ji, we were only our students, alumni waiting. Introduce yourself. That's all.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's so good to see a smattering of students from all the different batches. And though I may not remember everybody's name, I do remember the faces. And we do look forward to hearing from you your stories as you have left our campus. You know, we tried our best to make you, as Professor Ratan Sharma is saying, industry ready, but we would like to know how you have fared, and with all our good wishes. Thank you and welcome again.
Don't be miser, he was your teacher. Thoda liberal ho jaiye.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Professor Sorendra Bhattacharya.
Yes, you told my name. Most people
I'm
know
sorry,
that, right? Except for the first 2-3 batches, whom also I have met. Okay, welcome to for a very short period out here today. It's good to see you, all of you, right? And in a better person and a more, I mean, not industry ready. You are for the industry now. That's what I believe. And your efforts are far, far higher than what we could give to you during your stay out here. And welcome again, and good to see you people out here. Thank you very much for coming.
Good afternoon, everybody. How are you feeling today? I'm Dr. Rashmi Sharma. I joined in 2019. So the batch 2018-20 out there, you may recall my face and the sessions that I took, International Human Resource Management, to be very precise. Of course, this institute is your second home, right? So you should not wait for such opportunities like alumni meet to come and visit us. It's always a pleasure seeing you, such vibrant, beautiful faces, and more than the achievements that you will have in your lives, just strive to be a better person each day. That's all my blessings are. Stay blessed and stay connected. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I think all of you know who I am because I've been here from the first batch. So it was nice to see the pioneers and also the juniors. Okay, and it was so nice to hear that all your dot that you gave us, they all came to work, so I'm very happy it worked. And I hope you're all very happy and staying safe and doing well. It's a real enjoyment, pleasure, such nice faces, lovely faces. Welcome home, welcome, and come and visit us more often. Thank you so much. Introduce, doesn't matter. Okay, this is...
आप ठीक है, you go ahead. May I take this opportunity to introduce Dr. Goldie. She is the director with the College of Engineering with a very rich background she got in technology. We are extremely happy she has joined. This is a new initiative that WIPS has taken, started only recently, and we got a wonderful program this. Madam, welcome to you, and I'm sure she would like to bless some of the students.
Thank you, Professor Ratan Sharma. So it's so nice to see you all on Saturday morning, the bright young faces. So I was talking to your Professor Ratan and Professor Rajiv Kumar. So as a technology department, we would like to collaborate with you all. You will be senior for our students. So most of you are working here with HR department. So we soon would be connecting with you all, and you all have to come and bless of your younger, students. You are senior to them, so we seek blessings of yours to, you have to tell our students, and we would like you to come and give webinars, what HR, what companies they look from technocrats. So we have a happy collaboration, so please keep on coming. So we will be mailing you soon. Okay, thank you very much. Welcome and enjoy your evening.
अरे कुछ भी कर दो, कोई बात नहीं है. अरे you are Ramanpreet, you are a part of DSB.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Dr. Ramanpreet Singh from Vivekananda School of Business Studies. I welcome all the alumni, and I am very happy to see some familiar faces from our VSBS. Kushbu is there and Amisha is there. So welcome, please.
Ruchi, come on.
Hello, good afternoon, Delhi School of Business. Oh, you all are here. I taught you people. Amisha is here, Kushbu is here. Actually, good to see you. You all be the part of the VSBS also. All the very best and best of luck for your future endeavor. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dr. Isha Narula, and I'm from SBS department. So I welcome you all on the alumni meet. And I can also see familiar faces. Amisha is there, Khushbu is there. Good to see you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Isha, Ruchi, Ramanpreet, Jatin, and Ashu, and Renu. They are all a part of Delhi School of Business. Of course, helping SBS also. So that is there, right. So please go ahead.
Hi, good morning to all the batches. Okay, of course, I've interacted with all of you, and I hope that, in some way I have contributed to your learning in some way. Of course, you all have also, helped me in learning a lot of things. Okay, so it's a good feeling to really understand that from first batch till, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth batch, now we have everyone here, and everyone is actually doing so well in their own different fields. Okay, some of you have now started your own businesses. Some of you are helping some other companies. In fact, a couple of you are actually working across different companies. Okay, so it's so nice to welcome you all. Okay, and of course, keep on coming to Delhi School of Business. We'll definitely call you again and again. Okay, welcome.
Good afternoon all. This is Dr. Renu Vashisht and my area is information system. Few known faces are here, but I forgot your name. I'm so sorry. So that's it. Thank you so much.
Good morning all. This is Professor Neerja Arora. I joined Delhi School of Business in 2017, so the earlier batches might not know me, but of course I did communicate with you on WhatsApp, so that's me. And of course, it's been a pleasure. I've been interacting with some of the students here whom I taught, and I feel really proud when I heard some of the stories, what you guys have been up to, how you're doing well in your career. There are some startups. So keep the DSB flag flying high. And another thing that I wanted to really say was, of course, this is a formal situation where we've called you, invited you, but I again promise you that we are going to have much more interaction informally, maybe in smaller groups. We are going to invite you to talk to our younger students. And from your side also, I would request you that you please, whenever you can take off from work, do come and visit us, the faculty, all of us. You might know some of us, you might not know, but please do, come to the institute more often. Thank you and have a great day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. This is your college. You are the heart and soul. Do keep coming and wish you best of luck in all your future endeavors. And the great part is about the learning, about the memories that you carry. I have not taught the initial few batches, but most of the batches I have taught. So most of you know me very well, and we have been interacting even outside the classes. Also, you have been coming to me seeking advice, and hopefully I have been to some use to you in your career and also in your lives. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I am Dr. Jatin Vaid, and
Ashu.
A college is known by its students, right? So it's a great honor for Delhi School of Business to have all of you back today for the alumni meet. And I wish you all the very best in your life, in your careers. And one quote that I would like to share with all of you is of Charles Darwin. It says that it is not the most strongest or the most intelligent of the species that survive. It is the ones that are most adaptive to change. So with those words, I wish you all the very best. God bless you all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Ashu. I'm taking finance and accounting subjects here, and welcome everyone to this alumni meet. And it's very good moment to see a good lot of students, specifically after the COVID. So God bless you all. Keep connected.
Thank you very much. So nice of you. This was a faculty colleagues we had. I think we have strengthened our DSB family with our staff members too. We'll take few minutes really. We thought you should be interacting with them too. Starting from here, Siddharth. I think introduce yourself. Please give the mic immediately. Friends, mic, नीरज जरा mic दे दीजिए. वहीं पे. It's okay.
Hello everyone. Most of you know me. My name is Siddharth Jain, heading the admissions for the post-graduation program. And a very warm welcome to all of you. Keep on coming. It's your campus. It's our family. So it's not our individual family. Wherever you need us. At the time of COVID, we had called many of you to share your problems, and might be we at that particular time we will provide you the solutions. So at any point of time, at any phase of your life, wherever you need us, just give us a call, and we are just a call away from all of you. Thank you.
Lalita, where are you? You're the mainstay and everybody keeps connected. Please come here.
ललिता वहीं पे कर देते हैं. I think they are all here. They need to introduce themselves.
Yeah, good afternoon, all of you. It's very nice to see you all back again to the campus. You're most welcome. Please keep on coming. Thank you.
Thank you. So nice, really. You remember Lalita, right? The first, right from the very first batch, right?
Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Geeta Oberoi. I think so all of well aware about me. And we all are connected on Facebook and Instagram, right? So nice to see you all. Keep coming. Thank you.
Right, thank you. So nice. Big clap, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anjali Thukral, again taking care of admission only. And welcome all of you. Keep connected and share your experience with our younger candidates. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Yeah, say a few words, please. अपना नाम बता दीजिए. आप कहाँ से हैं?
Very good afternoon. This is Maria. I'm taking care of admissions. A very warm welcome to you all, and keep smiling and keep shining. Thank you.
Thank you. Great. You can always try, because this is an introduction. We thought we are strengthening our DSB family.
Yeah, good afternoon everyone. I'm Seema Rathi. I'm here in admissions. I welcome you all. Thank you.
That part also we got Reba and other placement. I think we should try really. Yeah, immediately. Thoda, idhar bhi placement ka Sumit and Marwaza.
Good afternoon, team. Though I am very new to DSB, but it's a pleasure to be here. My name is Sumit Anand, Senior Manager Corporate Relations, and I am taking care of placements. We'll try to keep in touch with you as well for further placements of our current and for future batches. We welcome to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Give a big hand to placement, really. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Sandeep Kushwaha. I recently joined DSB. I am looking after student affairs and examinations. I welcome you all.
उधर माइक जरा प्लीज एक बार और दिखा दीजिएगा. उधर कल्पना, you are here. Yeah, please.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Good afternoon, everyone.
खड़े होके कल्पना, everybody should see you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you all. Most of you know me already, and the ones I know I have already interacted. I just would like to say that we like your faces here in DSB and WIPS. Therefore, you should all visit here, even if we don't invite you. So, thank you so much for being here. You all are here, so we are here. Stay connected, stay together. Thank you.
Great. Pass it on, yes.
Hi, I'm Renu this side. I have joined the placement department recently. So a very warm welcome to all of you in the alumni meet of DSP. So be connected and stay in touch. God bless you. Thank you.
Vijayata, she is here.
Hi, I'm Reba. I'm Reba Biswaskal. I've just joined the family. It's been 1 year I'm with the DSB family, and it's wonderful to see all the smart faces here. Thank you and welcome all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm Vijayata Peters. I'm into the corporate relations and I'm assisting as an executive corporate relations. Welcomes you all. Thank you.
Who is left now? Bhavna, you'll be there. Gulshan, are you around?
Hello, namaste, and a big warm welcome to all. So the current batches know me, of course, and the older batches know me by my WhatsApp messaging, continuous messaging I keep on doing. Please do come, where are you all and everything. So I'm sure you would all know me by now. So a big warm welcome once again, and please keep on coming like this. We really miss you.
Thank you.
Gulshan, are you around? Gulshan Library. हाँ गुलशन बोलो ना भैया प्लीज थोड़ा आगे आके कम से कम इंट्रोड्यूस करिएगा देखिए
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन हाय
ये हलचल
हाउ आर यू
गुलशन हलचल मच गई है थोड़ा कौन आया ऐसा भूचाल आया
यस सर
इंदर आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ इंदर आ जाओ आई नो सब कुछ हिल गया इंदिरा तुम्हारे मारे इधर आ जाओ Gulshan, sorry, come on. Gulshan, sorry, please go ahead. Gulshan.
यस सर
हाँ अच्छा हाँ तो लाइब्रेरी वाले हो सारा दिमाग का खेल है कुछ भी बोलो
सर बच्चे बोलेंगे
हाँ इट्स ऑलराइट कम ऑन
यस स्टूडेंट्स कैसे रहे आपका लाइब्रेरी के दिन
अरे गए नहीं ये लोग
सब बच्चे एग्जाम ड्यूटी को तैयार
जाते नहीं है नहीं किताबें हैं इतनी सारी कोई यूज नहीं करता
थैंक यू सर
इट्स ऑलराइट ओके एनीबॉडी एल्स फ्रॉम द स्टाफ साइड हु इज लेफ्ट नाउ सो राइट हमारे साथ में नीरज हैं आईटी के स्पेशलिस्ट
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन आई एम नीरज कुमार टेक्निकल आईटी डिपार्टमेंट
Great, that's lovely. IT specialist, that's lovely. Great staff. Give a big hand to him. He is our center soul. In fact, DSB का ऑनलाइन में सब कुछ इन्होंने किया है हमने कुछ नहीं किया हमको कहा टीम में जाना है कैसे जाना है he did it. Now friends, we have with us now two very strong personalities and very important people from WIPS and also a part of Delhi School of Business. One Charulata Singh. She is the Dean of Department Journalism and Mass Comm. So please give a big hand to Miss Charulata, Dr. Charulata Singh, please, ma'am, and we request you to say a few words and for introduce कर दीजिएगा, bless कर दीजिएगा.
Thank you, sir. I am Dr. Charulata. You must have seen me around. I have not taught you, but it is so pleasant to see everyone, come back to the college, and our blessings are always with you. Stay blessed and keep connected. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I am sure you must be remembering we had the first faculty in Delhi School of Business. You know who was she? Yes, you know it. यार तुमको मालूम है कौन है Dr. Indira Bharadwaj. Give a big hand to her. And she is the last one to be introduced now. Regret, she is the first and the last, so we are in between only. हम लोग तो बीच में रहे. ये तो Indra the first and last है. So Indra is also looking after School of Business Studies, where she got an orientation program here for BBA, BCom, and many subjects. And she's a dean there and helping us. And she's helping us also Delhi School of Business. She's a part of Delhi School of Business also. Yes, Indra, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And yes, my apologies to the students here because I could not be here since morning because of the orientation that by chance got planned on the same day. I would have never wanted this to happen, but somehow it was unavoidable. But it's so very nice to see all the old faces here and smiling and cheerful and full of energy. So I think I've gotten everything that I gave to this business school when I was a part of the founding team today by seeing all of you here today. So thank you so much for being you, because you're here today. You feel attached to the school, you belong to us. We have always said that. If you remember when I used to speak with you for admissions and then also for the PGDM program, I must tell you that if you're a part of DSB, you're forever a part of the family. We made sure that you had email IDs which would be functional all your life. So I think we stand up to that today, and the reciprocation that we're getting from you is so rich and makes me feel so privileged. And today, yes, I feel proud of the fact that I was a part of the founding team of this business school. So I love you all, and I'm always with you, and you can always reach out to me. My buildings may have changed, but my heart and soul still remains with Delhi School of Business. So a very warm welcome to you, and God bless you all, and keep smiling and keep shining. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Indra. Building is not changed. I think we remain the same Whips family. So it is a part, so absolutely nothing. You are there very much. In any way, thank you very much for every one of you, those who really introduced. Now we start with the next, stage of the program. I must mention here, and once again welcoming every one of you. Do you know, all alumni, we are one of the 6 institute in Delhi business schools, right? दिल्ली में 6 नंबर पर हमारा दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस आया है, वन ऑफ द रैंकिंग. गिव ए बिग हैंड यार, तुम लोगों ने कभी सुना नहीं था. गिव ए बिग हैंड. And with this note, welcome to you and over to our students. Yeah, please.
Thank you to our faculty. Now I would like to invite our dearest Professor Ashok Bhattacharya. He is also the chairman of the Placement Committee of Delhi School of Business. Sir, please.
A huge round of applause, please.
You know, one thing, speech making is very difficult for me, but nevertheless, I'll give it a try. I think it feels so good to find all of you back in the system. And what is the agency through which we are calling this? We are calling it Milan. What we essentially want to tell you is, through Milan, that you are never the past, you are always the present, and you will always be the future of DSB. So for all of us, stay connected, remain with us, give your thoughts, give your ideas, give whatever comes to your mind on the institution, and we will walk this journey for DSB as an institution together, right from the batch that joined us in the year 13 till we carry on, and we know it's going to be till infinity. Thank you very much.
Now I may now invite the man of distinct vision and an idol for knowledge and experience, our director of DSB, Dr. Rajiv R. Thakur. Please give a huge round of applause.
Namaskar. Very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I am thankful and humbled with whatever words of appreciation our senior colleague Professor Ratan Sharma had to say about me. Realistically speaking, this is a collective journey, and this entire show or whatever that DSB has been able to do in last 1 year, almost a year, it has been a collective journey where everyone, each one of us has been instrumental in building this institution, taking it forward from where we inherited. Thank you, sir. Well, I don't want to normally, I know, few years back, I used to be there where you are, and how difficult it is to listen to these speeches and addresses where you come in a different mood to meet your friends, to interact, to have fun. But then probably this time you are coming for the first time after a long time, long gap, and we need to understand each other, we need to know each other, and therefore, and a bit about your alma mater, which you are proud of, and the alma mater is proud of you all. So therefore, it became important that we spend little time in introducing ourselves, talk about the institute, talk about the occasion. Otherwise, realistically speaking, it is what Bhattacharya sir said, it is in true sense a Milan. Not once, but we look forward to meet you many more times and many more in frequent occasions. Well, today I think in the month I joined in January, this probably is the most exciting day for me and probably most of us at DSB, because after this pandemic, this is the first occasion where we are meeting face to face. It's open air. We are a little bit less conscious about that we will be infected. We are less fearful, and therefore probably this is the right setting to meet you all. So thank you all of you for coming, and though I would not like to be long, but still I have to do my duty and I would like to say a few things. So, my dear chief guests of this day today, and that is you. You friends from the first batch to the current batch, the pass out batch, and the students of today. My dear senior faculty colleagues, colleagues from WIPs, and the faculty seating here on the dais. My colleagues on staff, I feel humbled again, and I'm honored that in this almost 10th year of Delhi School of Business, I stand here to address you all and talk to you, and I get this privilege. Thank you for this honor and thank you for this opportunity. My dear friends, you would have heard one slok, Janni Janma Bhumishya Swargatapi Gariyasi. What does it mean? Your mother and your motherland stands ahead and more pious, more important than even the heaven. माँ जननी और जन्मभूमि दोनों को स्वर्ग से ऊपर की दर्जा दिया गया, और उसमें मैं एक और ऐड करना चाहूँगा जो आप भी समझते होंगे कि आपका जो विद्यापीठ है, विद्यापीठश्च स्वर्गातपि गरीयसी, तो जननी और जन्मभूमि भी नहीं बल्कि आपका विद्यापीठ, जहाँ पे what sir was, many of us were saying, it's a second home for you, it's a second mother for you. I think it is important for all of you, and so is, you all are important for this Vidyapith. It is mutually important. At the same time, and therefore, we would like to acknowledge your importance. जैसे किसी ने कहा अभी कि हम आपसे हम हैं, आपके गुरुओं ने आपको दिया, आपने यहाँ शिक्षा पाई, और आगे जाकर आप जहाँ भी हैं, जैसे भी हैं, जिस फील्ड में हैं, वहाँ डीएसबी का झंडा आप आगे लेकर एक एम्बेसडर की तरह उसे लहरा रहे हैं, लहराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. और इस जर्नी में you are the founding pillars of the 10 founding pillars of this institute. As you have seen the founding faculty members, they are the strongest pillars, be it Indra ma'am or be it the latest Rashmi ma'am or maybe even the latest I am here. I am here to serve, I am here to contribute, I am here to bring whatever experience that I may have gained in my small or big career. I would like to contribute and dedicate myself. And therefore, we should collectively from this today, or from this day, we should collectively start this journey. We don't want that a strong pillar, a strong foundation, a strong stakeholder should be left out or should be out of this DSB or WIPS family, you should join us in building this great institution. आपके शिक्षक आपके मित्र हैं. फिर से एक आपने सुना होगा, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो साक्षात महेश्वर. आप गुरु को मित्र भी समझें, गुरु मित्र, और इस भावना से आप हमसे जुड़कर इस इंस्टीट्यूट को बनाने में हमारी मदद करें. और इस उद्देश्य के साथ पहले ही कुछ महीने में जब हम फैकल्टी मीटिंग कर रहे थे, और ये आपको मैं बताऊं कि ये इनकी ह्यूमिलिटी है, सर की ह्यूमिलिटी है कि उन्होंने क्रेडिट व्यक्ति को दिया, लेकिन ये जितने भी हमने काम किए ये कलेक्टिव फैकल्टी और स्टाफ की मीटिंग के साथ सब मिलकर के हमने काम किया. और आज इस एलुमनाई मीट की भी जो संकल्पना है, इसकी भी जो एक आइडिया जनरेशन है, वो भी हमारा एक कलेक्टिव थॉट था. और हमारा ये सबसे पहला प्रायोरिटी था कि हम आपको यहाँ पे कितने से कितने जल्दी बुलाएं और आपसे हम जुड़ें. We should meet as early as possible. And if you remember, those of you who have joined, there was an online interaction, and there have been other interactions also where we thought that we should connect despite the pandemic. And this was the earliest opportunity where we could have you all here in the campus. So thank you again for making it. And if I am correct, the data that I have, we have students, as is evident, though I don't know you by name or faces, but right from the first batch, for many reasons, many of you would be joining late or would not have met, but 103 students or alumni who had registered, about 25 each from the first and the second batch, the last and the previous batch, and subsequently as we go back, you had about 10, on an average 10 to 8 members who are there right from the first batch. And that shows the connect, that shows the strength, and that's where we are saying that you are important for us, you are the chief guest for us today. And my thanks and my gratitude to the chairperson of alumni and the entire alumni committee, the team members, most of you have got introduced. There are many others behind the scene who joined hands day and night to make this successful. You might have received many calls, many messages, and it is out of that effort and the guidance of Ratan Sharma ji that this event was possible today. I am also grateful and thankful to all the faculty members and the deans and the chairpersons who have made it to the occasion and made their presence. I am thankful to them. I am also thankful to the first year students and even the second year students who have taken their initiative to organize this entire event, and in the coming moments you will see some performances by them also, and where the Students Affairs Committee, and let me tell you, the Students Affairs Council and the students, they have been very, very active, and I must congratulate the chairperson for Student Affairs Council, Professor Rashmi Sharma, for her guidance and initiative. Let me also tell you, you must be feeling proud that this student community, your juniors demonstrated a sense of responsibility towards the peer group, towards the society, towards the family. When there was a pandemic and the friends were struggling to find support in terms of emotional support, financial support, physical support, and the peak of the pandemic, these people were there to help them and support them. So similarly, you have everyone, every department who have been working, whether it is Shoma ma'am, or you have placements, Professor Ashok Bhattacharya sir, or the research committee, and so on and so forth, that have been working, and of course the admissions and the marketing team. They have been the front face of DSB, and they are the first contact point for all of you. Now, before I end, I would just like to share a small snippet of the journey that has been there on the foundation that you have made in the last 10 years. And picking up from that foundation, we look forward to a journey, as I said, a collective journey, where we carry a vision to become the most aspiring business school in this country. Ratan Sharma sir just shared one of the rankings which is there, which says that we are the number 6 in Delhi NCR. I think the first and foremost, our goal should be that if not MDI, if not IMI, we should soon be the third in the category of the B schools in the Delhi school, in Delhi. Of course, Delhi NCR, you have many more. Now, this inspiration or this vision that we have, behind that there are 2-3 principles that I would like to highlight. If you look at our today's brochure, today's website, which is a new website, you will find that we are talking about potential and the opportunities. So DSB focuses on matching your potential with the available opportunities in the world. And no one knows better than you all that what kind of opportunities exist and the kind of potential that you would have already demonstrated to convince the world that yes, DSB and DSBians can be none less than any other management graduates from any other B school. And of course, behind this, there is a transformation process, a metamorphosis that we are focusing on, that not only academically, but as a person, as a human being, as a personality, there should be a metamorphosis between the time that you join and the time you leave. Besides this, there have been a focus on the placements, and we have a fantastic young placement team, the corporate relation team, guided by someone very senior, Professor Ashok Bhattacharya, whom you know, needs no introduction. And let me tell you, this year's the placement, as of now, as on date, it's so early, but we have about 10 students who have been placed with a highest package of 9 lakhs. And we have Deloitte, we have ANZ, yesterday ANZ picking up 1 student. We had, and you can see them on the website, and we have at least 30 of the companies in the pipeline, and the total number of companies which show interest to DSB is over 100. So that's about placement. When we talk about the transformation, we are talking about the journey. Of course, one was talking about the DSB brand. So you could see that if you look at the website, you look at the brochures, you look at the communication, there is a strong emphasis on the brand visibility and the brand building of DSB. Now this, you must realize that today I am Ahmedabad. When I carry this, probably this may not be so, I may not be feeling as much proud as what a similar tag for I am Ahmedabad or I am Ahmedabad alumni would mean. But 10 years later, our aspiration is that when I carry this, I can carry it to the airport, I can carry it, this should be I should not have any hesitation in carrying it even abroad. So that's where the focus is and the aim is. We have also focused on the curriculum to make it contemporary. You look at the new curriculum which is available. We have that process is there. The entire system, we are making this organization as a system and process-oriented system. And lastly, as I said, we are trying to bring in each and every stakeholders to the fold. So that's where you are important for us, and we will be expecting, as the institute is reaching out to you, my humble request is, and this is where I would like to draw your attention, that the institute expects your expertise, your experience. You please bring it back to your alma mater. Bring it back to your juniors. Share your experiences. You would be proud to know that in the Academic Advisory Council, you have 2 members from the alumni. And as the IMs, the government mandated, in the Board of Governors, it will not be very far when 1 or 2 of you will be in the Board of Management of DSB, which means that you have a strong, close participation in the future of Delhi School of Business. Similarly, we are connecting with different other stakeholders. Now with these words, I think I did not elaborate it further. As has been emphasized, we would like you to come more often to this institute, connect in many more ways. And I think one of the example, the way we have been interacting with you and bringing you closer is, I think it is Mohit. Is Mohit here? Mohit Munjal. How many of you know him? Please come to the dais, please.
Give a big hand, Mohit Munjal.
Ashok sir, please. Now, Mohit we invited to talk to the students before they had their placement interview, and that's how we expect each of you to come and join and talk to the students, that how they can be successful in the placement process. And I think Mohit was kind enough to find time, and there were so many others in the alumni, even from WIPS, that they have come and talked to the students. And we like to honor them for each and every contribution that you make. And of course, this is an occasion where we would have sent it to his home residence, but fortunately he is here, and this is the occasion where I would request Ashok sir to kindly honor him with this small plate. Please. So I think I needed to tell that, we needed to demonstrate it, that it is not a hollow talk or a hollow speech. We mean what we are talking, and we are really doing it. Now with these words, thank you, have a nice time, have a nice, wonderful day today together. Meet up with your faculty, meet up with your staff members, with your friends, with your juniors. I would also love to interact with you, and I think my memory is not actually helping me so much, so I have to we talked about, I would like to leave this platform formally with this small couplet. We said that this is Milan. Milan में तकरार भी होती है, मोहब्बत भी होता है. आज वो तकरार का वक्त नहीं है, मोहब्बत का और मिलने जुलने का, प्यार का वक्त है. तो let me read it out. मोहब्बत क्या है? मोहब्बत क्या है? समझो तो एहसास, देखो तो रिश्ता, कहो तो लफ्ज. मोहब्बत क्या है? समझो तो एहसास, देखो तो रिश्ता, कहो तो लफ्ज. चाहो तो जिंदगी, चाहो तो जिंदगी, करो तो इबादत, और निभाओ तो वादा, और मिल जाए तो जन्नत. So today, when you are meeting here in this Milan, we see a heaven on this campus, and we expect you to be here more often and make this place as livelier, more livelier than today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to sit back and relax because Ekagra is here to make you groove. Can we give them a big round of applause, please?
I must mention, friends, Mohit Munjal was invited in FRA course also. उसका ड्यू है ये सारा कुछ, प्लेसमेंट वाले पहले ले गए, हमने सोचा हम बाद में देंगे मोहित मुंजाल को इसका. He really talked so nicely about the practical expenses of analyzing the financial statements, what are the various issues involved. So he was invited there. Give once again a big hand to him. Why I am saying is that we want others also to be a part of this journey, this sort of a process. We would like really to have it. So please feel free. When you talk after this cultural program, also tell us as to how you will like to be engaged, not wo wala engaged, right? ये वाला engaged with the institute, right? वो तो हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब ने बता दिया है कि एहसास क्या है, किस तरह की चीज़ है, आप लोगों को मालूम ही चल गया कि क्या हो रहा है. I had a talk with one of my alumni and she was mentioning, sir उससे भी बात कर लीजिए. मैंने कहा क्यों? को मेरा हस्बैंड है. मैं कह रही तुम्हारी क्लास में कहा था, वो तो उस क्लास में था. कहला हाँ सर वो सीनियर था. तो मैंने कहा हम तुम्हें पढ़ाते रहे, तुमने शादी भी कर लिया, हमें पता ही नहीं चला. But in any way, this is what aptly described what our director said it. So it's beautifully. Now students in fact of first year and second year, they were so excited to have a program on the cultural part. I just have a look at that. I'm sure you will enjoy the whole process which is there for alumni. Only for you. I think don't go away, wait and just enjoy it. Please. Hope you people are enjoying. आपस में बातचीत हो रही है, सब लोग गपशप हो रही है, पुराने दिन याद आ रहे, क्या कुछ किया क्लास में. हम तो पढ़ाते ही रह गए, आप लोग अपनी बातों में मशगूल रहे, अपना कुछ करते रहे, पता नहीं. क्लास के बाहर भी कुछ करते रहे, उसके बाद में भी सब कुछ होता रहा. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं है, थोड़ा सा कल्चरल प्रोग्राम है, इसके बाद में देन यू विल बी स्पीकिंग, हेल्पिंग अस आउट हाउ रियली वी शुड गो अबाउट. यस, सो आई थिंक वी कंटिन्यू विद दिस कल्चरल प्रोग्राम एंड दैट्स ऑलराइट. सो वी गो अहेड. आइए भाई स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ फॉर यू, एंजॉय इट. यार देखो कितने एंथुसियास्ट हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज.
So it's time to revisit our college days. So the first and foremost performance is by the members of the Ekagra Club. So here we go.
इन दोनों का ही है. कहाँ है फिर बाकी?
Love is the message, eh? You ready? Let's go. Make it better, yeah. When we come together, yeah. All you got is me, yeah. All you got is you. मेरा तू ही है बस यारा, तेरे यार बने मेरा तू ही है बस यार. झूठा दे दो किथे कले कले जाई जाने मॉडल टाउन तुम्हारे घेरी मॉडल टाउन तुम्हारे घेरी सानू झूठा दे दो किथे कले कले जाई जाने बजाओ Girls like to swing.
We request Dr. S.C. Vas, Chairman WIPS, to bless the students. You know, he's a founder of Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies. He needs no introduction indeed. So I request him to say a few words and bless the students, alumni.
Please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. I don't want any one of you to stand. Particularly the faculty members and now the alumni is also, they are also very responsible citizens. And it's a very nostalgic feeling. When you joined this institute about 8 years ago, I'm reminded of Rabindranath Tagore's quote. I came to you as a stranger, I stayed with you as a guest, and I part you as a friend. So we are very happy to see you all friends here. You must be all in very responsible positions, and with you there is a tag. With you there is a band of respectability. Wherever you go, Delhi School of Business goes with you. And the learned teachers who have taught you may be some harsh days, maybe you have gone through very rigorous studies, sometimes not so pleasant and sometimes very pleasant. But then all those sweet and bitter memories, that's what makes us today, whatever we are, wherever we are. You're really very affectionate alumni of ours. We are very proud of you. And when we had the law streams, alumni meet, we had this whole area jam-packed, and they turned out in a very large number, numbering about 800 and plus. And it was a gala evening. I want Delhi School of Business now has taken a turn for the better. It is becoming more affectionate, affable, loyal, very kind, generous and compassionate. The earlier image of Delhi School of Business was that of very tough masters. Maybe some of you had very difficult times, and each time I had to come to the rescue of the students and argue in favor of the students, and I always have been an advocate of the devils, the so-called, at that time, so-called devils, I used to plead your cases, with Professor I.M. Pandey, sometimes Professor Shoma Mukherjee, and I'll be going from one place to another requesting the respectable teachers, please be very sweet, very kind, very affectionate. These are children to be taken care with great care, because they are the future citizens of India, they are the future entrepreneurs, and they are going to carry the flag of the Delhi School of Business. Professor Ranjan Thakur and now Professor Ratan Sharma, as you all know, he has been more than liberal and sometimes very friendly. So you have some sweet and some sour memories. I can only assure you that this institute stands by you solidly, and I assure you that any time and every time we shall be at your beck and call, and would very lovingly and very fondly support you in all your endeavors. I'll request the Honorable Director, Dr. Ranjan Thakur, Rajiv Ranjan Thakur, to please take care of them now, even if they need any guidance, any change in placements. Professor Ashok Bhattacharya has done an excellent job as far as the placement are concerned. Now I find a sea change in the attitude also. Students had a lot of attitude. They didn't want to, sometimes they abstained when the placement agencies came, and sometimes they wanted to hard bargain about their package. There have been innumerable difficulties, but now I'm sure everything has been smoothened. Everything has been smoothened and everything is now favorably disposed. So I welcome you all on this campus, and as you see, this is my progress. As you see, there is a BTech program we have commenced. So I am reporting to you my progress. On my left is a magnificent building that stands testimony to the fact that WIPS marches on. WIPS has not stopped growing. And we are all indeed proud of you and your accomplishments, and we assure you, even today, we have an umbilical cord relationship. We have a very, very strong bond. Any time and every time you feel any difficulty, any hardship, any guidance, any counseling, please do have faith that you have some institution that will be at your beck and call, and you will not be let down at any cost, because now we have grown and we have a strong corporate connect, and the difficulties that we initially faced now have been overcome by and large. So I once again extend to you very, very hearty welcome, and I assure you that you will always get the love and affection and the care and the patronage and the very feeling of being one with us. You will be made to feel that you are really wanted. You are the most wanted stuff. With these words, I extend to you very hearty welcome, and expect that in future you will turn out in large number. And Dr. Hindra Bhardwaj says you have not named me as the faculty. Dr. Sharad Gupta, having done his doctorate from FMS, am I right? Faculty of Management Studies. So there are very many eminent scholars here. I mean, we have been very choosy about yes. The Sharad is here, and there is Gaurav Sarin. Yes, I'm aging now, so at times I have to stress my memory to call your name, and so we're very happy to see you here. And I thank Dr. Rajiv Ranjan once again, and Dr. Ratan Sharma for having to, because Dr. Ratan Sharma is one of those very friendly professors, having taught at so many places. Maybe he has grade and experienced enough how to treat children kindly and affectionately. Thank you so much.
Can we please have our alumni, Mr. Mohit Munjal and Amisha Kalra, to present the bouquet to our Honorable Chairman.
Hello. Hello everyone, this is Mrinal Singh from batch 2022. So I'll be dedicating a song to all my friends, juniors, seniors and super seniors. Hope you like it, and please accompany me if you know the lyrics.
Just a small announcement, we'll be opening the lunch after 1 or 2 more performances. Thank you.
पुरानी जीन्स और गिटार, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार, वो रातों को जागना, सुबह घर जाना, कूद के दीवार, वो बाहर जाके हमेशा कहना, यहाँ का सिस्टम है ही खराब। दम लगा लगा रे धक्का रे, दम लगा लगा रे धक्का, दम लगा लगा रे धक्का रे, दम लगा लगा रे धक्का रे। यारों दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। हम रहे आना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचें क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी। ऐसा अभी अभी हुआ यकीन के आग है मुझ में कहीं हुई सुबह। मैं चल गया सूरज को मैं निकल गया रूबरू रोशनी, रूबरू रोशनी है। आज़ादियाँ आज़ादियाँ मांगे भी बिना मिले मिले मिले। आज़ादियाँ आज़ादियाँ जो चाहे वो छीने छीने छीने, कब तक गिने हम धड़कने। शोला जो भड़के भड़कने दो, क्यों है कोई आग दबी। शोला जो भड़के भड़कने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना। हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना। कोई मिल गया मेरा दिल गया, क्या बताऊं यारो मैं तो हिल गया। कोई मिल गया, मिल ही गया, मिल गया, मिल ही गया, मिल गया। तुम ही दिन चढ़े, तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा। तुम ही दिन चढ़े, तुम ही दिन ढले, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा। तुम ही वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है। ना 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 ना, हारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती बोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझो कि शायद मैं पागल हूँ। दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे कह दूं। रॉक ऑन है ये वक्त का इशारा, रॉक ऑन हर लम्हा पुकारा। रॉक ऑन यूं ही देखता है क्या तू, रॉक ऑन जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा। बहती हवा सा था वो,
उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। ओ ले लो पैसा ते ले लो प्यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। ओ किसे कम दी नी है महंगी कार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। ओ भी है समा ए भी है समा, समय ते चले जोर ना। ओही है भी है अंबरा दी छां, मेरे नाल होर कोई ना। ओ मेरी बन दी ना बिना मेरे यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। ओ मेरी बन दी ना बिना मेरे यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो। Thank you.
Hello, hello. All alumni and friends, I'm sure you are all around here. Our students of PGDM, they have done wonderful, great job for you only for you. So be around. It will take another few minutes or so. This is the last performance we got it, group dance. And then we'll request, आप में से कोई कुछ कहना चाहे, बोलना चाहे, और वो बोलें. Maybe during lunch time also we can do the same thing. Absolutely कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I know it is getting late, लेकिन इसमें हमारा क्या दोष है? अंकित, हमारा दोष है क्या? लेट में आए आप लोग तो हम क्या करें? हम तो 10:30 बजे से आप लोगों का आंखें बिछाए बैठे थे, आए नहीं आप लोग. अब ये मत सोचो कि आप लोग ऐसा कुछ करेंगे. तो in any way, to cut the story short, I think this is the last performance we are having it from here. And I think let students, I think they should feel motivated, and they should enjoy the whole process that they're being working for the last many weeks. So please continue.
So it's time for the last performance by the Ekagra Club. So I would like to call my team for the group dance.
Hello. लगाउण सी बड़ी हुण करे नी मल्लीए तेरे नाल हौली हौली गल करदा ओए जट्टां दे सुभाए थरे नी मल्लीए बाबा तेरे नाल प्यार पालिया थोड़ा थोड़ा तैनू भी शो करदा आका सूट विचों काली हील नी विचों चिट्टा चिट्टा रंग नी गलो करदा आका सूट विचों काली हील नी विचों चिट्टा चिट्टा रंग नी गलो करदा आका सूट विचों Slow it down. तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. ओ मुंडा सिर पे अड़ा, पीछे पड़ा. ਪਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਗਰਾਰੀਆਂ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਸਾਦਾ ਵਸਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੋਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੰਗਦੀ ਏ ਯਾਰੀਆਂ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਸਾਦਾ ਵਸਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੋਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੰਗਦੀ ਏ ਯਾਰੀਆਂ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਟੱਪਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਓਏ ਗਏ ਬਲੈਕ ਕਲਰ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਓਏ ਤੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਦਿਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਦਿਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਰ ਝਟਪਟ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਨ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਅੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਅੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਨੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਡ ਨੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਲਿਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਡੱਬ ਨੇ ਪਿਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਝਾਂਜਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੋੜਾ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਲਾੜ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਂਭੂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਰਗੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਫੇਸ ਕਲਾ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਟੇਕਾ ਸਾਫ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਕੁੜੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਕਾਲਾ ਪਿਸਟਲ ਤੂੰ ਬਸ ਗੋਲੀ ਗੋਲੀ ਗੱਟੂ ਦੱਸੋ ਵੀ ਗਾਇਆ ਸਲਾ ਕੱਤੀ ਗੋਲੀ ਏ ਖੱਟ ਨੇ ਸੁਭਾਅ ਹੋ ਜੂਗਾ ਖਾਂਡਾ ਚੋਬਰ ਚੀਨੀ ਨੀ ਇੱਟੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਕਾਉਂਦਾ ਗੱਲ ਕੋਈ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਚੀਨੀ ਦਾ ਬਾਲਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਆਰਤਾ ਨਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਾਨ ਪਹਿਚਾਨ ਕਦੀਆਂ ਗੋਲ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੇ ਆਲੀਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੈਂਡੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਰੁਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗੰਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਮਾਰੇ ਗਿਣਗਿਣੀਆਂ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਰੁਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗੰਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ
Hello, all alumni, please kindly here come on the stage. अरे डांस का मूड बन रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? आइए ना, अभी लंच हमने अनाउंस नहीं करा. Now we'll dance together. Come on, come on, all alumni and friends, come on, we'll dance together. अरे आ जाओ हमेशा. कहाँ यार, क्या कर शर्माते हो? अरे कम, yeah, that's there. अरे कहाँ गए वो भाई लोग? आए अरे ना, देखो, come on, please come. रोहित कहाँ भाग गया है? रोहित was around. हाँ मोहित कम. अरे नहीं कुछ नहीं. Come on यार, how are you dear?
चलती कुड़ी चलती कुड़ी तेरा दी भैन सर ते बिचली के किदे उत्ते गिरदी बचदा भी कख नहीं तारे भी करके सिंड्रेला ओ सिंड्रेला तेरे उत्ते आया दिल मेरा गुरु पाके नचाया आज काला गत्तड़ पाया तेरा सारा ही पीछे आया तेरा सारा ही पीछे आया तेरे तक के गोरिये ने चलती कुड़ी बदला दी भैन सर ते बिचली के किदे उत्ते गिरदी बचदा भी कख नहीं तारे भी करके सिंड्रेला रोटी जही छड़ के मैं तो सिर्फ चले आसी पल्ले हट के जी दे मुड़े हारे कट के सुने आए लेक्स रोने ले ली एक टाइम वाली रोटी जही छड़ के रब्बा इतना बड़ा फासला तो साके विच ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जी निदार के थोड़ा के दे बेकार ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जी निदार के थोड़ा के दे बेकार ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जी निदार के थोड़ा के दे बेकार सतरा दे कर ताइयों तेरे हुण दसो किवें जुड़ो साडे दिल वाले ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जी निदार के थोड़ा के दे बेकार ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जी निदार के थोड़ा के दे बेकार ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जी निदार के थोड़ा के दे बेकार
एक और गाना क्विज का करो।
अच्छा क्विज